Phil Weiss of Reprise Wealth Management here with a video summary of this week's blog. Look elsewhere for market forecasts. First, I'd like to wish everybody a happy new year and I hope that your 2023 has gotten off to a good start. I wish everyone health, peace, and prosperity in 2023. So why don't we forecast? Honestly, it's too hard. The likelihood of being right is just too low. There's things that are going to happen that we don't know about. Think back to the beginning of 2022. Who forecasted we're going to have the highest inflation in 40 years? Or there's going to be war in Ukraine and other things that happened that we just didn't know. I share in the blog the track record of last year's forecasters. The closest to the actual market performance was down 8%. The highest prediction was up about 12%. Ended up the year was down, the S&P was down 19.4%. And the bond market was also down more than 10%. Based upon the research and reading that I did, that's the first time we ever had both the stock and bond market down more than 10% in the same year. It's just, like I said, it's just too hard to forecast. There's other things that we could do that are more productive uses of our time. I also share in the blog some quotes from some very successful investors and their views on market forecasts. I take a look at historic returns. On average, the market's up about 10%, but that doesn't mean that that's the kind of return that we're going to get. It doesn't really come in that level that often. About 70% of the time, the market goes up, and that doesn't matter if the year before was up or down. So that doesn't even help us in terms of predicting what will happen. What's the answer? Focus on the long term. Think about your financial plan. Are you still on track? That's what matters. Are you living the life that you desire now? And are you positioned to continue to live your desired life in the future? Those are the things that matter most. Hope that you enjoyed this week's blog. I'll be back again next week with the Prize's 5 favorite reads of the week. Again, Happy New Year and have a great day.